Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Blackview Tab 16 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Settings. And now click on Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google and then click on I agree, click on I agree again. Then click Next and click Next. Then click I agree. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next, Next, I agree. Now you can click back, click on lock screen, then click Yes I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.